Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Viennese. I'm so happy to have you here today, tonight, whatever time you're watching this video. I have some exciting news to share with you guys. Let's get right into it. I was really excited to make this video today because I was given the opportunity to take a course with the Online Makeup Academy. They're located in New York City and they specialize in certifying MUAs. This was such an exciting opportunity for me. I was so grateful because I have loved makeup for so many years. Since I was little, I have been doing makeup for over 20 years, so I'm very experienced in the field, and this is just something that really is life-changing. So we're just going to apply this bronzer right here on our cheek. We're going to bring that up, always go in an upward motion. Can you see how pretty that is in that dimension right there? Then we're going to take a little bit more and we're just going to put it at the very top of our forehead. We don't need too much. We just want to look sun-kissed. What I really loved about this course is that you have different instructors. They're very knowledgeable. They take their time. All of what they show you is in real time. It's not edited. It's not going too fast and over your head. I was able to capture everything that they were trying to teach me through their techniques, and I just really appreciated the time. You can tell that they really want you to succeed. They're not trying to just tell you something really fast. They really want you to grasp everything that they're telling you. They do not try to rush you through the course, but they really take their time and make sure you have grasped the techniques that they have taught you. And these are professional, high-caliber instructors that are teaching you. Through this course, I was taught how to do makeup on different face shapes, skin types, and skin tones. And that is something that you really need to know as a makeup artist, or even if you just love to do makeup on yourself. These are skills you definitely want to know. They offer you an online instructor, which I really loved. It was really personal. She knew my name. She gave me feedback on all the homework assignments. She told me what I could fix, what was good. She was really, really personable. And I knew that I could reach back out to her if I had any questions or concerns. It really made me feel good that she was so accessible. I knew that if I had any questions or concerns, she was right there. I could give her an email and she would get right back with me. And you don't get that everywhere. My instructor was so sweet, so positive, always had a smile on her face. And when she did give me constructive criticism of how I could, improve a homework assignment that I had sent in, when I implemented all of those steps, I saw my makeup improve. If you enroll in the Online Makeup Academy, you can do all of your courses at your own pace. One of the benefits is that you also get lifetime access to all of your videos, instructions. If you ever need to go back and just review over some things, they're right there for you for a lifetime. And another exciting thing about the course is that you get Pro Card benefits. And what that is you get up to 40% off of top tier makeup products from professional makeup brands. And this experience is so exciting for me and my channel because it's all about self-confidence, knowing who you are, knowing who God's created you to be. And through these techniques, I feel like I will be able to teach you even at a higher level. And that makes me so excited. I'm so excited you're here. I'm so excited for our future together and learning and just having fun. If you are interested into becoming a certified makeup artist, I highly recommend the Online Makeup Academy because you will not be disappointed, I promise you. And being 100% honest, after taking this course, even when I was just doing my own makeup, I was more confident, and who does not want that? Being certified means that you are a professional. That means that your clients are going to get the highest quality makeup service. When you're confident and when your clients are confident, that really changes everything. And I'm just so grateful for this opportunity. And if you are like me, you have a passion for makeup, the Online Makeup Academy will be perfect for you. I would like to say thank you to the Online Makeup Academy. I am now so proud to say that I am a certified master makeup artist. So thank you so much for being here today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. God bless you, and I will see you on the next video.